Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a hot topic that's heating up the courts and shaking up the trade world, Trump's tariffs. So let's rewind a bit. The U.S. Court of International Trade recently ruled that President Trump overstepped his authority under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act by imposing certain global tariffs. Yeah, you heard that right. The court said Trump took things too far without getting Congress involved. Specifically, this ruling targeted tariffs imposed in February on goods from China, Mexico, and Canada. Trump justified these tariffs as a measure to tackle fentanyl smuggling. The court also struck down a 10% import tax on global goods and higher reciprocal tariffs on trade partners like the EU and China. But wait, there's more. Not all tariffs were affected. Tariffs on cars, steel, and aluminum, imposed under a different law, the Trade Expansion Act of 1962, remain intact. So if you're in the auto or metal industries, those tariffs are still in play. On May 29, 2025, Trump didn't hold back. He took to Truth Social, calling the court's decision incredibly wrong, political, and country-threatening. Trump urged the Supreme Court to reverse it quickly and decisively, emphasizing the need for presidential power to protect the U.S. economy. And there's more drama. Trump criticized the Federalist Society and its chairman Leonard Leo, calling Leo a sleazebag and blaming him for bad judicial nominations. Leo, in turn, defended the society's work and praised Trump's transformation of the federal courts. Economists are reacting cautiously but positively to the lower court ruling. They see potential benefits for trade, market stability, and lower costs for consumers and businesses. Business owners like Kara Dyer of Storytime Toys are cautiously optimistic but highlight the chaos and uncertainty caused by the tariffs. But hold your horses, this saga isn't over. The Federal Appeals Court temporarily suspended the lower court's order, allowing the tariffs to remain in effect while the case is litigated. The next hearing is scheduled for June 5th. The Trump administration argues that the lower court's decision threatens trade negotiations and improperly second-guesses the president. White House spokesperson Caroline Leavitt emphasized the importance of presidential authority in diplomatic and trade talks. Experts have mixed feelings. Lawyer Ilya Sumin is optimistic the ruling will be upheld on appeal. Dmitry Grozubinsky, a former trade negotiator, believes the court battle has weakened Trump's leverage in using tariffs. And let's not forget the broader implication. These court rulings have significant consequences for U.S. trade policy, the extent of presidential power in imposing tariffs, and the balance of power between the executive and judiciary. This case is expected to reach the Supreme Court. That's the lowdown on the ongoing tariff tussle. What do you think? Should the president have this much power over tariffs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you next time.